Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go, and we are missing the chat. Click refresh on that bad boy right there. What do we got? Hold on here. We got Honorarium. First in the chat. Kombu, honor. CD Wit, Kombu, Honorarium, Kombu, CD Wit, Honorarium, CD Wit. We got Honorarium, Giovanni, Kombu, Honorarium, Giovanni, Outdoor Smile, Honorarium, Giovanni, Honorarium, Roulette Wheel, Honorarium, Giovanni, James Taylor, and Outdoor Smile. So glad to have all you guys in here right now. Let's check the market out. That is not the market. That's the smog token I did a video on yesterday. So thank you guys very much for watching it. But let's check out the market real quick. Hold, please. We get to refresh everything. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $4.06 per share. AMC is up to $4.06 per share. Think about that for a minute. Shiba Inu coin coming back down a little bit. 922 points per coin on the screen right now. 1.49% higher on the day today. GameStop sitting at $14.29. Bitcoin sitting at $45,040 per coin. $45,040. You heard that right. $45,000. Ripping through the $44,000 level of resistance, coming up to test $45,000, pulling back just slightly off of $45,500 right now. We're going to see how it plays out here, but just a beautiful rally over the last week, man. Taking it from 41,800 to 45,500, a 10% gain, basically just over the last week here. So, very nice price action in Bitcoin. We're going to watch how it plays out, though, as we are on a slight downtrend at the moment, or a downturn, coming from 45,526 down to 45,055. The NASDAQ having a good day so far today. 0.25% higher. You got AMC 406, GameStop 1428, Dogecoin sitting right there at 8 cents per coin. Ethereum sitting at 24.26, Shiba Inu coin 922 points per coin. Bitcoin sitting at $45,062. You've got the SPY 497, QQQ 433, Mullinato 687, Sundial $1.37, Netflix 560, Highcroft Mining $1.89, MPW 325. Tesla, $190. Tesla's back up. Amazon sitting at $170. And Apple sitting at $188.34 right now. Overall, market's doing pretty well today. Cryptocurrency market's doing pretty well today. Hopefully it stays that way, and we get a continued good day across the entire board. Who didn't listen to me on Unidex AI, and where is it now, Giovanni? Where is it now? Oh boy, man, Caspa's doing well. 15% gains here, 15% gains there. Unidex AI, man, 39% gain on the day today. $182,000 in volume. $7.5 million market cap. Listen to Giovanni on anything and everything that this man says. It's a 177% weekly gain from $3.80 to $10.70. This man is a legend. My goodness, dude. Yeah, Unidex AI, that's another major win for Giovanni right there. This dude is just printing money. I can see Claybro organizing a date like that. Now, what date do we have? Let's see what we've got here. Now I really need to get a MacBook because I can't do anything without a computer. My computer gave up. Sorry, I missed it. I do have some bad news, though. Got it. Where we at? Set up a second date. Where'd you take her out to? Come, but we just went for a walk and talked. There you go. It was what we decided on, and it couldn't have been better. Honorarium. Can you feel the love tonight? Can you feel the love tonight? I don't know how the rest of that song goes. That's the only part of that song that I know. So if you guys know the rest, please fill in the blanks. But yeah, that's all I got on that one. So we decided it couldn't have been better. Very nice. Did you leave her one more? Oh, heck yeah. Next date is trampoline and Sundays or root beer floats. Still deciding the last part. I always do outdoor smile. There you go, guys. There you go. Jeez, that's too personal. Can you feel the love tonight is too personal? What do we got going on? Hey, it didn't listen to me on Unidex. Hey, I saw that already. I can see Clay organizing a date like that. That'd be a perfect date, man. It sounds excellent to me. Outdoor smile. Nothing wrong with that ever. First day with the wife never ended. We've had a few nights apart in 7 years. Kombu, man. Very sweet. I knew Unidex AI would go up quite a bit, and you were quite right on that one, Giovanni. Guarantee Crypto George talking about $100,000 Bitcoin today. And he probably is, man. He probably is. Bitcoin looking phenomenal. Touching 45.5 today. Bouncing back a little bit at the moment, though, as traders out there slightly nervous. I want to put $500 into something and have it 1,000x in 3 days. When? Well, when token probably could have done that for you. Outdoor smile. I don't know if it's going to do that now, though. Let's see here. When? Yeah. This bad boy. Look at this daily. Well, I could do it now. Let's see. Topped out around 3 zeros and a 2. We're currently at 4 zeros and a 4. No, you're not going to 1,000x on this one now. Not going to 1,000x on this one. But when token, I remember it was trending a couple of days ago. And has since taken everybody's money away. That's why, guys, you gotta be very, very careful with these tokens, right? Now, this one absolutely could jump back up there. But just be very careful. The name of the game is to get in, get out. Or get in and leave a little in, but still getting the majority out. Let's see. So, Dark Bro, you will never look at the trampoline the same again. He might not, man. He might not. Negative, good morning to you. Biddy Boo Brown. It has been a couple days, Miss Biddy Boo Brown, but we are glad to have you back in town. Outdoor smile, there'll be honorarium. But not sure when. Those 3 days will come soon, though. I like it, man. Yeah, honorarium could 1,000x. That is a fact, man. Mr. Not Financial Advice. Mr. Never Financial Advice. Bro Fam Gorilla. Boom, man. What's going on? Thanks, Sky. Absolutely. She's the one who came up with the trampoline. I added the last part. Dang it, man. You guys are already tag teaming ideas on Honorarium. I like it. Illigophila Invicto Mos. Heck yeah, Kombu. I didn't even know about when. Dude, there's a token. Literally, there's a token for everything, man. There's a token for everything. But I haven't used it in forever. I hope it still works. Oh, gosh, dude. I can see it now, man. He really means forever. The trampoline's already started to rot. They're going to go jump on it, and they're going to fall right through, dude. And it's going to be it's going to be one of those moments. Oh, yeah, I can see it now, dude. Boom, they're jumping. It's slow-mo, right? Boom, jumping. Jumping. All of a sudden, they crash down. Oh, no. The thing rips. They're down on the ground, and then they start tumbling towards each other. And then Dark Bro lands like this. And he's like, kid. And then his kid in the background is watching The Lion King, and all of a sudden, that song comes on. Can you feel the love tonight? Make it happen, Dark Bro. Make it happen. Make sure while you guys are playing on the trampoline, the kid's got like Lion King or something playing on the phone or the tablet out there. And yeah, if the trampoline is rotting out, it could lead to something very good. But trampoline, same thing, man. Any news on the burns, Clay? Kenneth, I don't know when the last time you saw one of my videos on Shiba Inu and burns was. The latest update I have on Shibarium burns, twofold. Automatic updates, or automatic burns, are set to take place whenever the team feels like it is the most safe. Okay? Automatic burns will happen when all of the proper testing has been done, and it is safe for investors, because they don't scam on anything. So, automatic burns have no date, probably will never be. On top of that, manual burns. The latest update on manual burns, according to Lucy during the X space, is that manual burns are going to take place when the price of bone increases. Now, that is extremely open-ended because the price of bone has done very well to increase over the last couple of days. Looking at bone, man. 62.5 cents right now. From the 50 cents that it was trading at just earlier this week. So it is already up 20 plus percent from these levels right here. It's already seen a 20 plus percent increase, but no mention of the manual burns. So the latest news directly from the ecosystem team was that manual burns would take place when bone was improving. Bone has clearly improved, but no manual burns. Guys, I just want to like show you something here, okay? Let's take a look at this. And this is why the ecosystem team is full of baloney. A lot of people believe in them. That we can't sell bone because it would destroy the price of bone. No, it's baloney, man. Let's just look at this. Now, they have already burned $400,000. Their accumulation was 1.4 million bone, and I don't actually know the total bone that they had burned. I know that they had $1.2 million total accumulated. That number is down to like 800,000 now, and they've burned $400,000. I know that they are keeping 30% of that for themselves. Hundreds of thousands of dollars they are keeping for themselves, and the rest is what's going to be burned. So let's just say they do have a few $100,000 left, right? $200,000 to $300,000 left at the current prices, which is low and which is stupid because they would have had over $500,000 left if they would have just burned it when they had it. But regardless, let's just say they have $200,000 to $300,000 left to burn. Look at these numbers here, okay? $6.4 million in volume is a 15% decline from yesterday. So you were doing $7 million in volume yesterday. If you don't think that bone could easily handle $200,000 in a single day, you're out of your mind. You're out of your mind. Now, let's say they just wanted to be a little bit more reasonable and they took the next 10 days to do it. If you don't think that bone doing $7 million a day in volume could handle $20,000 a day, you're even more so out of your mind. So it is the simple fact that the ecosystem team does not want to burn that money right now. Take it over 20 days. Take it over a month. I don't care. If they were burning $2,000 a day, swapping $2,000 a day worth of bone towards Shiba Inu coin to burn, and they did that for the next 2 months, don't you think that $7 million a day in volume could handle $2,000 a day in swaps? Then they could easily go out there. I mean, they could either burn that $2,000 a day for the next 2 months, or they could sit there and wait. It's accumulated and then send it to the burn wallet. So I have no idea what they're waiting on, and they literally will not answer any questions about it. Swap it daily, man. I don't care if you swap it daily and then just burn it at the end of the month or end of the 2 months. Whatever. Just let us know what we're doing, man. Oh, gosh, man. And I got to come back out to the chat a little bit. Dark Bro popping them springs. He might be, man. Cadence Protocol is making a move also. You getting... Oh, you already bought Cadence, Giovanni. You bought that as well. My God. Let's see. Because they waiting on Bone. Yep, Kenneth, they're waiting on Bone. But what are they waiting on? Right? What are they waiting on? So they will do that when Satoshi reveals himself. Good luck with that. Yeah, exactly. So is my girlfriend. I told her she has to hold on until the end of the live stream. I know I missed something, man. I know I missed something. Clay Celestia hit $20 for a bit, and now it's in the $19 range. Now it's stinking cheap, dude. Maybe I should buy Celestia in the $19 range, since this is absolutely cheap. God, 1979, dude. 7% gain today. Dude, I literally remember seeing this at a $250 million market cap, and it's sitting at a $3.2 billion market cap right now. What junk, dude? What junk? Give me a pullback on Celestia, please. Let's see. I may be a bad boy because we're talking about beds, and I wanted her opinion on frames and mattresses. Oh, gosh, dude. Oh, my gosh. Where's Pudgy? We need Pudgy. Honorarium Schiller says, sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Shib, 88, Solana. Buy Honorarium. Do it. Not financial advice. I'm just a shiller, not an advisor. Dude, I should start doing that. Oh, hey, I want to say this. Speaking of shilling, I really should start doing that in my shill videos. Sell everything you own and buy this coin right here. It's not financial advice. I'm just a shiller, not an advisor. I like that, Honorarium Schiller. But hey, if you guys didn't watch the video from yesterday on Smog token, make sure to go watch that video. Thank you if you do. Pad the views a little bit. But if you watch it, man, and if you just open the link down there, those guys are going to... I guess decide if they want to sponsor some more videos based on the amount of clicks that link gets. So if you guys want to click the link in the description of that video, just once, if you want to open it a couple days in a row and do it a couple days in a row, that like best crypto Claybro link down there will be one of the determining factors in whether or not they sponsor another set of videos in the future. So please do so, and thank you in advance if you guys do click on that link, man. Community will ultimately be the reason Shib hits a penny and beyond. I just can't wait till the developers try and take the credit. Oh, they will, Ghost Boy. They will definitely take the credit. Pudgy! What's going on, Pudgy? Glad to have you in here, man. Well, Pudgy, I DM'd vids. What's the verdict on the 1982 D penny? I need to know, man. If this dude's sitting on a motherload of pennies right now, I need to know. I'm a good boy, Gary. It was a legit question, though I do treat her right regardless of jokes. But she's worse than me with the jokes. Nice. There you go. Haven't slept. Currently looking at them through a microscope. Man, I need to know more. Gave up on Shib. Sold all of mine. Biddy Boo Brown. Did you replace it with something, or did you just sell it, Biddy Boo? I mean, you don't have to let us know if you don't want to, but we'll just... curious. Biddy Boo used that profit loss of Shiba to buy Honorarium. Non-financial advice. I watched it. I liked it. Thank you very much. Also, click the link 50 times. Okay, listen, you don't have to click the link 50 times, right? You don't have to click it 50 times. But thank you very much for clicking it 50 times. Dude, these guys, they'll be looking at the analytics. They'll be like, dude, a lot of these people have broken computers, man. They clicked that link and it didn't load, 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 it finally loaded. They're going to think a lot of people that watch this channel have broken computers. I made too many mistakes with crypto, the Doge story, and I also sold my 2 Bitcoin for $9,000. My buddy Rich and I laughed and thought it wouldn't go higher. I learned patience. Yeah, you know what, Giovanni, man, there's 2 ways to look at things. Literally trading, okay? Now there's 3. Swing trading, and just a more investment buy and hold type of approach. If you've got a lot of money locked up compared to your liquid assets, it could be time to sell some of them and make them liquid. And you could do that at any time, right? But if, let's say you did buy 100 Bitcoin 10 years ago, and currently you're sitting on, what would that be? $4.5 million? 10 Bitcoin would be, 450 grand. $4.5 million at 100 Bitcoin. Now, you've got a decision to make. Clearly, $4.5 million could absolutely change your life. You could go out there and you probably wouldn't ever have to buy Bitcoin again. But if you've already got enough money, if you're living the life that you want to live, and you truly believe Bitcoin is going to continue rising in value, the options are sell a portion of it or simply hold it. If you truly believe it will come back down like you and your friend did when it hit 9,000, then you've got to sell it, man. You've got to sell it. You only hold something if you can justify its furthered or continued price increase. For example, if Shiba Inu coin, if I woke up tomorrow and Shib hit a penny, I can guarantee you I would be half asleep still, and I would try my best not to make a mistake, but I would sell that faster than I ever knew possible, knowing full well that it's not going to sustain those levels, and it's most likely going to come just crashing back down. Now, to my dismay, it might go up to 10 cents. But dude, I truly do not believe that Shiba Inu coin should be sustaining a value above a penny, $5 trillion worth. So the same would have been said for Bitcoin 5-6 years ago. 2017, as it was hitting that $9,000 per coin level. 2017, actually that was a while ago now, 7 years ago, right? As Bitcoin was ripping up 7 years ago to $9,000 a coin, I remember watching it, man. I remember going into that place that I used to go into every day, and I would text my brother and my dad and be like, dude, Bitcoin just went from 4,000 to 6,000. Bitcoin's at 7,000 today. Bitcoin's at 8, 9, 10, 12, 15. And like for a couple weeks there, man, I was texting $19,000 Bitcoin hit. It was insane. I didn't think that it would be able to hit those levels. And a part of you, when it does hit those levels, a part of you begins to think that it's only going to keep going up. It's insane. How high can it go? I didn't think that it was going to reach 4,000. Now we're sitting at 9. I didn't think it was going to hit 9,000. Now we're sitting at 19,000. You know, the craze starts to happen as well. So, yeah, man, you just got to make a decision and roll with it and not kick yourself if it turns out to be the wrong one. Anyone think XRP will have some runs before its court case is finalized this spring, or just stay stagnant? In my opinion, Lonnie, if it does have a run, depending on when the court case is going to be finalized, if it does have a run, I think it's going to be more correlated to the overall crypto market, Bitcoin halving kind of talk. A lot of people are expecting pullbacks in March because of the interest rate decision, because of like reverse repo rates and bank rates out there. A lot of people are expecting pullbacks throughout March. The more I look, the more I find. We talking about pennies, man? Biddy boo, did you download Trust Wallet? There you go, biddy boo. So you have to have a DeFi wallet first, something like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. The link I sent you for a trading pair is on pancake swap. If Shib hits 1 cent, Clay owes me a Ferrari. Dude, Honorarium Schiller. If Shib hits a cent, yeah, you owe me a Ferrari if Shib hits a cent. Let's put it that way. We'll just trade Ferraris at that point. I feel much more comfortable with that statement, because if I owe you a Ferrari, I owe everybody a Ferrari. Shib at a penny. I mean, Shib at a penny, 34 Ferraris. 34 Ferraris. Dude, 34 Ferraris. I guess it would depend on what kind of Ferrari you guys are looking at. I'm going to say no. We're not doing 34 Ferraris. It was Shib at a penny. Shib at a penny would probably, depending on the Ferrari, Shib at a penny would probably cover 34 Ferraris. But, nah, dude. We're not doing 34 Ferraris with Shib at a penny there. The Doge thing is what really taught me the lesson. I know I shouldn't, but I really beat myself up for that one. Well, you know what, Giovanni? I think that one probably hit you a little harder because you may have been peer pressured into that decision. You may have, in your gut, even at the time, known that it wasn't the right decision, that you probably should have held, but you did it anyway. And that's probably why that one sticks with you. I mean, that, and of course, because Dogecoin ran up to $72, or 72 cents, and you would have had like $72 million. So that would hit pretty hard there. Yes. If Shib makes it to a cent, I don't ever have to work again. Justin, I like that. We got Honorarium Schiller winning a Ferrari, and you're just never gonna have to work again. I like it, man. We can trade Ferraris. I'm down. There you go. We'll have a Ferrari bro swap, man. We'll have a Ferrari bro swap. And that actually would be pretty sweet. If we did something like that and we just swapped cars. Like, I don't know, every 3 months or whatever, we just swap cars. We could figure out what car we like best. You guys could all go out and buy a sports car, a supercar, whatever. You know, we could even get Biddy Boo Brown in here, man. Biddy Boo Brown could grab a car. Biddy Boo's a bro. We could be swapping cars every couple months. We'll call it the bro swap, dude. Everybody made it. Shiba Inu coin hits a penny. Everybody made it, and now we're swapping Ferraris. New foe! Honorarium to pool toe. Ahoo! Let's look up Honorarium real quick. Nufo, thank you very much for keeping that green name for 17 stinking months, man. Thank you for that. Let's see where Honorarium is. Knowing full well that the bros got your backs on this one. Honorarium has currently been out for about 2 months, showing 138 viewers on there. Let's see what it shows. No, not there. Here. 138 holders is what it's showing here on BSC scan as well. Honorarium, guys, over the last day, up a nice 11.88% right there. Sitting at 1168 points per coin, and it is just above that channel where Honorarium feels so comfortable. So it must have had some buys coming in yesterday. Yeah, we had some buys coming in over the last couple of days here. $55, $90, $2.99. You get yourself a little bot making $3 on this trade right here. Somebody coming in and buying $197 worth of Honorarium to kick that price back up a little bit. So Honorarium looking very good with $849 in volume over the last 24 hours. They must be doing something wrong because Pancake Swap keeps putting 300 in the box. Biddy Boo Brown, let's see. So if you open Pancake Swap, right? Pancake Swap is actually right here. I clicked open on it. So you come over and you copy that contract address. Boom. Or, I guess if you click on this link right here, right? It brings up Pancake Swap. And let's see. All right, well, I don't know. We got it right here. So you can click, you can bring it up here, and you can click on, where the heck is swap? Oh, trade. Swap. You're going to get this page. You don't want to buy Pancake. You don't want to buy cake coin. So you're going to paste that address out there. Honorarium. We're going to click it. Now, 0 BNB equals 0 Honorarium. Let's say you want to do one whole BNB. You would type in 1. It's going to get you $315 worth of Honorarium. Or, what is this? 26,125,782 Honorarium. You don't want to go 315. Let's just say you want to do $30 worth. You're going to go out there and do a tenth of a BNB. That's about $31.51. That's going to get you 2,722,387 Honorarium. Now, when you're okay with that, you're simply going to connect your wallet and click, what does it say when you get that? Swap, accept. I don't know what it says. Trade. I don't know what it says when your wallet's connected down there. But you would simply connect or click swap there, and it's going to give you, it's going to load the Honorarium into your wallet, and of course it's going to take the BNB out of your wallet. But it is very simple to make that happen there if you're interested in buying on Pancake Swap. I don't know why I would be throwing a 300 in there, unless of course you just typed 1 BNB instead of 0.1 BNB or something like that. Let's come back out here. Look at the chart for a minute. Let's see. Hold on, Clay, bro. Wait a minute. I don't think she's even got BNB in her wallet yet. Yeah, she might not. She might not. I take it that no one is doing a video on my coin, huh, Clay? Biggable Coke. I don't know. Listen, I'm sure some people would be willing to shill Biggable Coke out there. I actually think that I actually think that might violate YouTube's monetization policies. So, which I think it would just, you just have to take ads off. I think you would still be able to post that video, but I think that would violate all the monetization policies. You should still be able to post that video. but I don't know if it would be advertiser friendly. So you know what? You'd have a hard time, Biggable Coke. You'd have a hard time getting somebody to do a video on Biggable Coke there. Everyone in here has a green or blue name. Is that a first? Nope. United Wings. He's got a gray one. Giovanni! Thank you very much for the green name. Giovanni throwing it out. And Waves Tech Reviews grabbing that green name. Now, Waves Tech Reviews, I haven't seen you in the chat. So if you were in here, please say thank you to Giovanni. If you were not in here, Giovanni, thank you very much for the green name. And I'm sure the rest of the green names and the bros in here will also be telling you thank you for throwing that one out there. And Waves Tech Review. Waves Tech Reviews. I mean, if you're doing tech reviews, let us know. Let us know. Did I just spill water? I don't know. I think it was Old Rounder, right? Old Rounder, just to let you know, I put pepper in my turmeric concoction. Didn't really change the taste at all, man. So, I don't know if I put enough pepper in or not, but it's in there. I'm turning superhuman, man. I'm going to make a new coin after I get my Ferrari from Dank Bro. Coin will be revolutionary. New coin that will 100,000x. After one day. You know, you can make it 100,000x in a day. Some of these trending coins, dude. Let's go to the homepage real quick. Daily gainers. Nah, dude, I know the biggest daily gainer is not 400%. It's nonsense. Smokes, man, look at these. 100%. Watch out for these guys, man. Those are some bad losses. Yeah, you look at some of these coins right here. Rug. This dude's telling you he's going to rug you, man. This dude is literally out there telling you he's going to rug you. Pixel up 24,000%. Pixel right here. 308. Is this legit? $368,000. $27 million in market cap. I don't know if this is a legitimate coin or not, man. Disagreement as to whether or not this is a honeypot. Yeah, I would be a little bit concerned about this being a honeypot. Sell tax is 100%. There you go. There you go. That's probably why this coin... I don't understand why this coin is only going up here. I guess the majority of people that buy in aren't willing to sell it. But yeah, dude... Like, this dude just losing $1,700. This dude just losing $2,800. Just losing $2,200, $2,500. $3,600 being taken. Sell tax 100%, man. This stuff is... Oh, golly bum, dude. You gotta be... You gotta... Wow. That is a terrible coin right there. Let's see. Strike. Let's make it happen. Strike one, maybe on me. I don't even know. Trucks actually have utility, so worth more than cars. Kombu, if you're basing it on utility, absolutely, man. The truck is probably much more beneficial than my Kia Forte. Kia Forte gets like 40 miles per gallon. Truck's probably going to be getting 4 miles per gallon. So there's a difference there. But, yeah, dude, when it comes to utility, I can't get too much in that Kia Forte. Okay, thank you, Dark Pro. Absolutely. It didn't turn Kenneth green. Dang, man. We got to get Kenneth Green in here, guys. United Wing. Eric says, let's go. Hope everyone's blessed with a sick run soon. Let's get it. Eric, man, thank you very much for that. Sorry, Clay. So let's just back over $20. I missed my dip buying opportunity again, dude. This means that Bitcoin must be ticking back up. Come on, right? 2017, 2016 here. Bitcoin's got to be ticking back up. So let's see where Bitcoin's at. Show enough. Bitcoin is ticking back up from 44.9 back up to 45.2. So Celestia getting a little bit of a bounce there on Bitcoin's bounce right here. Shiba Inu coins bounce. Ethereum's bounce. Dogecoin's bounce. Everything is bouncing. My gosh, dude, it's like crypto's going on a date with Dark Bro. All it wants to do is bounce. What in the world? I'm a flat toe my Silverado behind my RV. Well, there you go, Moji. Can you look at Palantir tech stock and Nvidia? Yes, we can look at Palantir. I've not looked at Palantir in a very, very long time. And Nvidia, dude, $700+ per share. What is going on, man? What is going on? Nvidia is sitting at $700. I don't know if it's still there. Nvidia is sitting at $700 a share. Absolutely insane. PLTR? Yeah. Palantir up 3.80% today. Where is it out on the day? Ooh, Palantir looking nice on the daily. Going from $5 to $25. It is 5x'd just in the last, what is this, year? What? That's a very small year. Palantir has 5x'd in the last year, man. Going from $5.80 to $25 per share right now. Beautiful gains in Palantir. Now, I know it should have some it does have some resistance in this area right here. This is kind of like mid-range of that channel. This is a weekly graph, all right? Upper end of the weekly graph, if it begins to pull back, you're now going to have two support lines right there and right here. These are weekly levels of support and resistance. Knowing that we are currently right at this $24.50, $25 level of resistance. I don't know if it's going to break out or not, so please keep your eye on Palantir, knowing that it's right here, potentially getting ready for a breakout to the upside or a break back down to the downside. It has had 3 phenomenal days in a row. I don't know how long those can continue on for or on what those news. I guess it was a very strong earnings report that came out and drove Palantir higher. Nvidia, man, look at this right here. Holy smokes, dude. Look at this resistance. This is one of the reasons why I love support and resistance lines so much. This daily level of resistance down here at $500 per share, right? Came in and as Nvidia was soaring, tapped 500, couldn't break. Tapped 500, couldn't break. Triple tapped 500, couldn't break with just a slight pullback. It was all the momentum the bulls needed to rip through. Now, anytime you are hitting a new all-time high, people are going to tell you, don't chase, don't chase, don't chase, don't chase, don't chase. You're going to get wrecked. Well, just ask them why you can't chase. Okay? Now, I get it. Chasing a new all-time high could be a little bit more risky, but if you're looking at it at a technical standpoint, there's no resistance left on the chart. The stock is going to run as far as investors will take it. Let me rephrase that. The stock is going to run as far as traders will take it. Investors don't necessarily care too much about the technicals. They care more about the fundamentals. The traders care more about the technicals. So this is going to go as high as the traders want to take it. $600 per share. Ripped right through. $700 per share. Doesn't look like it's getting ready to slow down. You're talking... Now, how in the world... How in the world did this happen? You were down in the basement. You were down in the basement with the door shut. Well, apparently, the cat has learned how to open doors. That actually scared me. My heart's... Hold on, I gotta take a drink. My heart's beating a little faster than it should. I had no idea that cat was up here. and all of a sudden it just jumped on me. So let me take a drink as my heart slows down a little bit. Come here. Come here. You're already up here. They want to see you. Come on. Well, come here. No? All right. Well, she'll probably come back whenever she wants to. My gosh, dude. Literally, the cat was in her room downstairs. It scared the crap out of me, man. The cat has apparently learned how to open doors. Now... All right, well, apparently she has free reign in the entire house now because she can open doors. Oh, my gosh. That's one hairy kittied up pet. Yes, it is, Chris, but she's a great one. I'm telling you that right now. Hey, baby girl, come here. All right, she's just walking around. Maybe she'll come back. I don't know. Moji, if she comes back in here, I'll show you. But I'm very much confused as to how that cat opened that door and got out of the basement. What in the world is happening right now? Cats do way more than cats can do way more than just open doors. Well, I guess that I'm still learning, man. I'm still learning. Let's see. Bust out the Benadryl. Your eyes swollen now. Yeah, dude. You guys are gonna see me like this in a minute here. No, it shouldn't be that bad. I can't do the chase thing, Clay. I did that when I was new to crypto. I learned that I was giving my money away. I would buy, and then they would sell. I lose my money. Giovanni, 100%. I agree with that. Right? It's not a more conservative approach to chasing, right? But if you do have a technical breakout, which you always will have a technical breakout, if something hits an all-time high. If something hits an all-time high and it breaks out to the upside, there's no resistance left on the screen. You should take a more conservative approach to it, though. If it begins moving higher like NVIDIA did right here, I mean, NVIDIA's already $200 above that level of now support that was resistance. So it's well beyond any worries. But I would be very conservative with it. If you start to rip up $500, $505, $510, all of a sudden you're up, 10% or whatever. At that point, sure, dude, definitely consider either taking or protecting any profits that you do have. But NVIDIA has done nothing but go up since then. Let's see. Cats are really smart. Apparently they are, Chris, because that is... I am really confused as to how that cat got out of the basement. That did scare me because I was not expecting that cat to be here. I did not hear that cat at all, and it just jumped right up on my back. Hello, everyone. Just want to mention that I purchased items for my mom's birthday party, 6 men's dress shirts, cake plates, a pair of dress shirts, and something else for around $250. And those items, I meant to say, purchased on Claybro below the Shiba. Okay, there you go. Crypto Cone Raul Valdez Reyes, man. I was gonna have a laugh with you on that one and say, well, Crypto Cone, I have no idea what your mom was gonna be doing with 6 dress shirts and so on, but thank you very much for letting us know the birthday presents that you got for your mother. Strange list of items, but thank you very much. But it makes a lot more sense that he went out there and he purchased those items using that Shiba Inu coin burn link. So my man is contributing to Shiba Inu coin burns. I love it, Crypto Cone. Yeah, Suzuki, that might be a lot easier. CCRVR. Yeah, it might be a lot easier than Crypto Cone Raul Valdez Reyes. You changed that many times during a birthday party? Austin Powers in disguise much? And dude's a sweater. He likes to sweat. So he sweats, man. I was wondering, Raul, as we all were, Moji, thoughts on Ryoshi's Layer 2? I think Satoshi created that one, and will use Shiba Inu as their gas. Thoughts on my thoughts? Oh, Crypto Cone, man. I truly don't think that Satoshi created that, okay? I truly don't think that Satoshi is interested in seeing benefits to Shiba Inu coin. I think that Satoshi is interested in seeing benefits to Satoshi's coin, Bone. Satoshi may not have a huge Shiba Inu coin wallet, but he does have a huge Bone wallet. And the more Bone he has, the more interested in seeing the price of Bone rise he will be. So I don't think that he created it, man. I like to dance, broskies. He breaks a sweat. He's got to change his shirt. Hey, Clay, bro. Good evening. Are you also an XRP? Greetings. Yes, Roy. I do own a little XRP, but I do not own a lot of XRP. I do own a little bit of XRP, though. Let's see. I understand the chase thing. If you put a lot of money, buy and sell right away. But to put $5 to $100 a week, it doesn't work. But to turn 100,000 and maybe 50,000 and sell, I'm gonna. Yeah. So Giovanni, good deal, man. I wouldn't be putting $100,000 on a single trade or anything, but I'm sure a lot of people do out there, man. I'm sure a lot of people do. They chase it, they get in, they get out, they make a quick profit. And they move on. Jack Kroger let the cat upstairs. Hey, Nickelback may have let the cat out. It might not have been the cat that let the cat out. It may have been Nickelback that let the cat out. So that is a possibility. Nickelback hasn't figured out how to get out of the basement, but the cat figured out how to get out of the basement. Now, J-Bones, that is crazy, man. Honorarium! Thank you very much for the super chat. Paid advertising by Honorarium. By Honorarium, not financial advice. Volume and holders will get us to the next level. We will be listed on CoinMarketCap soon, and after that, the rocket comes. Honorarium is the way. You guys, let's check out Honorarium real quick. If you weren't in here before, you're in here now. So let's take a look at it. Where we at? This one. Honorarium sitting 1168 points per coin. It hasn't seen any trades since we looked at it a little bit earlier. Honorarium is not one that you necessarily want to look at on a 5-minute chart because volume is so low. But on the daily chart, Honorarium looks excellent, man. Honorarium has had a beautiful has it been 2 full months? 2.5 months, I think. 2 months and a week? Something like that. Honorarium has been doing beautifully to trend higher over the last couple of months. After that video, maybe that was the video spike, right? Doing a video, people buy in, these people sell off, and of course it's following its trajectory nicely that it was on prior to that happening. So, you know what? I would actually expect if CoinMarketCap listed it, you might see this bad boy 10x, 20x, and then it would probably sell off again, so please be very careful with it. But yeah, man, Honorarium looking solid, and Honorarium still not listed on major coin exchanges or major coin, I guess, websites like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and so on. Let's see. Bigable Coke! Support Black History Month by BBC Today. Guys, I'll pull it up for a second here, right? But Bigable Coke also has a token out there. Hence the name, Bigable Coke Crypto, on the Binance Smart Chain. I can never pull it up, man. Here it is. Here it is. It is at a very volatile start. A total market cap of $653. $1,000 in the liquidity pool. 41 current holders. And it has only done $4.79 in volume over the last 24 hours. I'm telling you, you go in there with a little bit of a buy on this one. And yeah, you're going to be moving the price for sure on this one right here. So it could be one if you guys want to hold it in your wallets. Bigable Coke coming in with a super chat right there. So Bigable Coke getting his coin pulled up on the screen. Bigable, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for advertising your coin. And thank you very much for supporting what you believe in. Giovanni, nah, bro. Honorarium before GF. Yeah. Sure. She can reap the rewards after we moon. Yeah, right. Dark Bro already gave her a wallet, man. Dark Bro already hooked her up with her own wallet. What's up, Clay, bro? Hey, $5 bill. What's going on, man? I like Bo's, what is this, Bosun Protocol? I used to have it. I don't even know what that is, man. Know anything about Bosun Protocol? No, Maurice, I do not. But Giovanni had it. Probably made a mass ton of money on it. because he makes mass tons of money on everything that he has. What is this? Permissionless peer-to-peer system that enables fair, automated, and trust-minimized exchange for off-chain, physical or digital, value for an on-chain asset. All right. It's up a little bit today at 21.7. It's currently at 21 cents. Dang, man. Look at this range. Dude, this has been in a wild channel. Dude, swinging 10% gains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 10% swings in the last month. Just up and right back down in this channel. Bosun Protocol, I don't know nothing about it, but I know Giovanni had it, therefore it must be a true winner. $23 million market cap, going from $3-4 per coin. All right, yeah, man. Down to the current 20 cents a coin. So from these current levels, you would see a 4, almost 8x increase to get back up to these all-time high market caps here. These prices here were probably diluted. This looks like a legitimate price move here. Maybe with slight dilution, because that would be about a 15x gain, and that's about an 8x gain. 10x maybe. So I would say there was some slight dilution in that area right there, with only 56% of the supply in circulation. But I don't know anything about why, like how their coins are circulating, how you get more into circulation, and so on. The British Broadcasting Corporation, that is what it is, Kombu. Yes. Funny thing is, I already knew her grandparents, and I didn't realize it. Dark Bro, just as long as her grandparents aren't your grandparents, okay? Just as long as that's the case, you're going to be good to go, man. As long as her grandparents aren't your grandparents, you guys are good. So, Bosun Protocol, a long time ago, Giovanni, for a major gain, I assume. They were like, hey, we know you when you were out walking, and they stopped by. Really? What are they, from your neighborhood or something? Get rid of by $30 BBC. That's how much BNB I got left. Hey, man, you're about to, if he really does go out there and buy it, you're about to see a price spike on BBC. That's a fact. Bull Bitcoin Club, you know what? BBC is whatever you want it to be, man. The Big Bro Club, man. It could be the Big Bro Club. Beautiful Bro Club. Bad Bro Club. Ooh, Baby Bro Club. There's so many things that it could be. We just don't know which one it is. Bro, don't curse me like that. Me? Somebody else. I don't even know. No, you will have a big spike at 30. If you go in $30, that's going to be a huge spike, man. It's going to spike the price up like crazy. Is that the token? That is the token, man. CD Wit. It doesn't stand for Big Bro Club. But Big Bro Club would probably be a lot easier to say than the Biggable Coke that I have to say in order to get his token out there. There are a few BBC coins out there. There are, man. But there's only one made by Biggable Coke. Crypto BNB Smart Chain. There's only one of those, man. Watch the chart. He said he really is going to go buy it. So let's watch the chart. This dude really is going to go buy it out there. You want to watch a 5-minute chart or the daily chart? Let's watch the daily chart. Let's see if that bad boy updates. You guys can see that. We'll keep it on the daily and see if that bad boy jumps up there. Let's go! Finally, some positive movement. Charlie, we got positive movement across the board today, man. Bitcoin doing very well. Honorarium doing well. Shiba Inu coin doing well. Ethereum doing well. The entire crypto space is doing very well today, man. And we are, of course, going to see if anything comes across as a spike on Biggable Coke with Dark Bro going in. And whoa! Look at that, man. Dark Bro, man, jumping in and making Biggable Coke hit near all-time highs. Dark Bro with the big old purchase right there. Dark Bro coming in hot. Yes, man. Dark Bro, very, very cool. Dark Bro jumping in on Biggable Coke. And literally, I mean, dude, it was a big spike. You're talking about seeing price points that are near all-time highs right now. Testing that resistance level. Pendle's not doing well. I want it to drop. Giovanni, are we getting back in Pendle? Are we getting back in Pendle? Or is that something I should never be concerned about? Because if Pendle goes back down to 10 cents, are we getting in? Tell me we're getting in if it goes back down to 10 cents, man. I'm getting in if it goes back down to 10 cents. I don't know about you, but I am. BBC on Pancake Swap. BBC is on Pancake Swap, CD Wit. Honorarium dropping fire on that one, man. Honorarium coming in. Dude, that's a daily chart, by the way. Not a minute chart. BBC ladies, watch these lives too. Temper. Yes, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Who comes up with the names? Markel. Biggable Coke in the chat here. Gary comes up with the names for these coins. These guys are absolutely ridiculous. But nonetheless, they do have that out there. Honorarium pulling through, spiking the price of Biggable Coke up here, moving it from, and where was it? Did he drop a zero? Nah, he didn't drop a zero. He went from 8 zeros and a 45 to 8 zeros and a 49, man. Incredible. Jumping the price of that coin up 10% with a $27.88 buy right there. Second that, Mo. Heck yeah. I will not. If it goes back down to 10 cents, something must really be wrong if it drops that low again. Yeah, you're probably right. You're probably right. I could never wish for a dip buying opportunity like that, Giovanni. Third it. Second it. Third it. Fourth it. Anybody fifth it? Does anybody fifth it? Let us know in the chat right now if you fifth it, because I fourthed it. $700 NVIDIA. Guys, let's do a little recap right before the... Ooh, AMC coming back down to 409. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 921 points per coin. GameStop, 1426. Bitcoin sitting at $45,050. Now it's having trouble getting back up above that 45,000 level. Or I guess maintaining some gains above the $45,000 level. It's staying above $45,000. Well, currently sitting at $45,050. Putting a nice little downturn over the last, I don't know, 20 minutes or so right here. Falling off $45,250. Currently sitting at $45,050. We will watch it play out in the afternoon live stream. But as for right now, Honorarium 6th it. There you go. It is 1 o'clock. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back. I got to go find that cat, see what she's up to, and how in the world she got out of the basement. So let's have some fun this afternoon. Hopefully all of you guys enjoy it. Dark Bro, congratulations that the date went well, man. I think that's awesome. We're going to enjoy the afternoon. We will be back a little bit later, guys. Charlie Martinez, enjoy your afternoon. Giovanni, see you later. Honorarium. We got CD Wit, Moji, Honorarium. Mark L, see you later, man. Honorarium, have a great afternoon. J-Bones, baby. Have a great afternoon, J-Bones. Giovanni, see you later. Kombu, Honorarium. We got Squiggles out there. Hello to you, Squiggles. We've got Moji, Honorarium, Kombu, Pudgy. Pudgy are very accomplished, man. Enjoy your afternoon, Pudgy. E-Man, see you later, E-Man. We've got Giovanni, CD Wit, Kombu, Giovanni, Warner Mackey, peace out. $5 bill, enjoy it. Johnny Quest, see you later. Crypto Cone, Raul Valdez Reyes, see you later, man. Suzuki, peace out to you later, Mr. Enormous. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you. Lester, have an awesome day. Oh, oh, oh. Man, when I saw Dark Bro go out there and buy a Biggable Coke, I said, oh, what a crazy price spike. Honorarium, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate all of you guys for being in here, man. Shout out to Suzuki, Mr. Normus, Lester, Honorarium, Moji, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.